Hello everyone. Today is your 5th class of matrix. Hope you have go through all the videos which I've already uploaded and understood every topic which is given in the videos. So today we'll discuss about the multiplication of two matrices. Okay. So first we have to check whether multiplication of two matrices are exist or not. Okay. So for that, suppose you are taking a matrix A and B. So how you can say that product of these two matrices exist means AB exist. If number of column of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. If it will be same, then you can say that the product exists. Okay. And that two matrices, the matrices A and B are said to be conformable matrix. Okay, matrices A and B are said to be conformable matrix. If these products exist, then A and B are called is said to be conformable matrix. Okay. So how you can check? In this way you can check whether these two matrices, product of these two matrices exist or not. Suppose order of the matrix A is 3 cross 2 and order of the matrix B is 2 cross 4. So whether the multiplication of these two matrices exist, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, exist. Why? Because if you will see, the column of the first matrix is 2 and row of the second matrix is 2. They are equal. So you can say that product of these two matrices exist. Okay. So how you can check it? Okay. So let's move to the process, how to do process of multiplication. Okay. So first we have to take two matrices. I am erasing this, hope it is clear to all. Now I am taking two matrices and B, that is 2 minus 3 4 5 minus 6 7. So first we have to check whether this multiplication of these two matrices exist or not. So see, here the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Number of rows is also 3 and number of column is also 3. And here order is 3 cross 2. Okay. So you can say that, you can see that number of column is equal, number of column of A is equal to the number of rows of B. So these two product of these two matrices exist, or you can say that they are conformable matrix. Now how we will do the multiplication? This is the question. So first note down the matrix again. Okay. Now I am marking these rows of first matrix R1, R2, R3, and I am marking column of matrix B, C1 and C2. The rule is that you have to multiply along row of first matrix and column of second matrix. So what is the row of first matrix? That is R1, and that should be multiplied with the column of the second matrix. So it will be the first element of the required matrix. you can say from here you can see the matrix required order of required matrix is 3 cross 3, which part is not common. So this is the number of row and this is the number of column of the product of the matrix. So you can say that 3 rows will be there and 2 column will be there. Okay. So first element will be the product of R1 and R1 and C1. Okay. Second element will be the second element means this one. This one is the R1 and C2. R1 means R1 and C2. 3 cross 2. Now for the second row, this one and this one. So it will be R2, C1 and this will be R2 for this one, R2, C2. Okay, here it will be R2, C2. Now you are doing for third column. Third column means this one. Sorry, third row. Third row means this one. This one to first column. That means here it will be R3, C1. And for this element will be R3 and C2. Here will be R3, C2. So start doing the calculation. How the calculation will be happen? R1, C1. R1, C1 means this with 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Then what is the next element of R1? This is 2 with 4 plus 2 with 4. Then minus 3 with minus 6. Minus 3 with minus 6. Okay. Now R1 C2 means R1 C2. So corresponding element, you have to multiply the corresponding element of R1 and C2. So 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5 plus minus 3 into 7. Okay. There. Now for the second row, the corresponding element for the second row and the first column. So you have to multiply the corresponding element of the second row with the first column. Corresponding element of the second row with the first column. So it will be minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4, 4 into 4 plus 5 into minus 6. Okay. Now you have to do the second element of the second row. That will be second row. That will be multiplication of corresponding element of second row and second column. So it will be minus 2 into minus 3 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 7. Okay. Now you have to do first element of the third row. So first element of the third row will be multiplication of corresponding element of R3 with C1. Okay. R3 means 6 into 2 plus minus 1 into 4 plus 0 into minus 6. Okay. Then you have to find out that this element means second element of the third row. Okay. So it will be corresponding multiplication of corresponding element of R3 and C2. It will be 6 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 7. Okay. So if you multiply it, what you will get? What you will get? So you will get, if we'll do this calculation, so you will get 2 plus 8 plus 18. That means 28. Then minus 4 plus 16 minus 30. That means minus 18. Then 6 into 2, 12 plus minus 4 plus 0. So 12 minus 4, that means 8. Then this one, 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 10 minus 21. So it will be minus 14. Okay. Then minus 3 into minus 3, it will, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3, that means plus 6 plus 20 plus 35. So it will be 61. Now last one, that is minus 18 and minus 5. That will be minus 23. This is your final answer. This is the final answer of multiplication. So hope it is clear to all. In next day, we will solve once more sum of multiplication. So today's class is up to this only. Goodbye, student.